The sent menu in Promally shows you everything that is outgoing from your Promally account. So log in and click on Sent, and then it will load up this menu here. You can see I've already filtered the sent menu to show me everything that has been outgoing to my email address. You can see here that on Monday, the 20th of September 2021, I sent myself a campaign called Music. You can see Promally has already automatically reminded me by sending me a reminder email. This is because I didn't engage with the campaign. Since then, I have opened the campaign twice and I have viewed the landing page twice, but I didn't do anything with the music. But if we go down to your demo of Promally, the next campaign I sent on the 18th of September, and the last status was sent, you can see I have played it 5 times and I have viewed the landing page 21 times and I've downloaded it once. So this menu here shows me everything that is going on with my account, and I can start filtering that to build out custom reports for myself. This is viewing the last 30 days. If I wanted to view everything that's happened in the last 90 days, I can do so. And you can see here, I've been sending myself more music. So September and August, you can see how many times I viewed it and played. And then I can filter how many times people complained about spam or unsubscribed, or if Promally skipped emailing for any reason. And then you can really determine what's going on at any time in your Promally account. Let me know how you get on. Always happy to help.